In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete content block Mailchimp tutorial. If you've ever built an email and realized a section no longer fits, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove that block cleanly and confidently without disrupting the rest of your layout. Start on your Mailchimp dashboard and head to the campaigns area. This is where all of your emails live, including drafts and scheduled messages. Locate the campaign you want to update, then click Edit to open it. If you don't see the option to make changes, make sure you're working on a draft version or a campaign that's still in the editing stage. Inside the campaign workflow, choose Edit Design. This takes you into the email builder where the preview appears on the left and your editing tools are on the right. Think of this space as your control center for layout, content, and styles. Now, find the specific content block you want to remove in the email preview. Click directly on that block to select it. You'll notice a highlighted outline and the editing panel will switch to show settings for that exact block. This works the same way for text blocks, images, buttons, social links, and other content types. Take a second to confirm you've selected the correct section, especially if similar blocks appear more than once. With the block selected, look for the Remove Block option in the editor. It may appear as a button labeled Remove Block or as a small trash icon. Click it to delete the selected block. If Mailchimp asks you to confirm, choose Remove to finalize. The change happens immediately and the design reflows to close the gap where the block used to be. If you remove the wrong block by mistake, use Undo right away while you're still in the editor, or simply add the block back from the content panel and rebuild it. After deleting, scan the surrounding sections to ensure spacing looks good. You can adjust padding, margins, or dividers to keep the layout balanced. Before you move on, preview your email on both desktop and mobile to make sure the deletion didn't create awkward spacing on smaller screens. When everything looks right, continue editing as usual or proceed with your normal review and sending process. That's all it takes to delete a content block in Mailchimp. Open campaigns, edit your campaign, go into Edit Design, select the block you don't need and remove it. Thanks for watching and happy editing.